Hello everyone! Welcome back to my video. Today is Monday and let's welcome Monday good vibes tayo. So ayan guys, I know nagtataka ako saan ako nagpunta for 2 days kasi for a person like me, diba? It's unusual na mawala ako ng 2 araw kasi talaga I am a workaholic person. As much as possible, yung the whole week ko ay occupied. But guys, absent man ako for 2 days, but it's not totally a day off. I stayed at home, still working. Yeah, so ayan guys. And this is the good news. So ayan, for that 2 days, yan. Because Friday, I received an email from this genius people, the people behind the application. So ayan, and they invited me to become their merchant. So ayan, so I'm so excited kasi diba, who am I to refuse that kind of invitations, especially for a small business like my business, diba? Kasi ako, once I receive an invitation or an email, masaya na ako dyan kasi it means that my business is na recognized and napansin, diba? And they trusted kasi they want me to become a partner. So ayan, and so nag-agree naman ako, so we set time, and then it was a 2 days because first day is the orientation about the application, and then half day is the registration, submissions of all their requirements, and then approval, and then the second day is training about the usage of the tools, ayun, and then yun, so other concern, diba, napakahaba ng usapan. But anyways, I'm so happy kasi nga this application is a big help for me and for my client. So ayan, and also grateful kasi in just 1 day na-approve ako kaagad. So finally, I am now a verified merchant here in San Jose Occidental, Mindoro, because they want to have a partner for every LGU. So nauna pa ako sa LGU. So ayan guys, diba? But anyways, since we are the same tourism enterprise, mas maganda to, diba? Para sa buong Pilipinas. So ayan na nga, after the verifications, and ayun na, verified na nga tayo. So we discuss a lot of things in those, plans and suggestions, yun. So nabuo na lahat, and then alam mo naman ako, diba, pag meron akong nakita, meron akong gustong i-suggest, meron akong gustong sabihin, sinasabi ko talaga. So ayan, diba, so kaya lalong napahaba yung aming meeting. So anyways, and I'm so excited kasi by this month, end of this month, or by first week of December maybe, pupunta sila dito, yan, together with the tourism Memaropa and tourism for officer for every LGU, and then so they invited me to join yung activity na yan. Diba? So, ang saya ko. Anyways, yun na nga. So, this application is made by our genius Filipino software engineers. So, ayan. And this is for tourism. So, ayan, guys. What is the advantage of this applications? Not just for us Filipinos, but for all the travelers, tourists, and people wants to take vacations, ayan, and they don't have any idea about the places that they want to go. So ayan, it's a friendly user application. So you just simply install. It is available as iOS and Android, ayan, and it is for free. So ayan, Tapos, nandito na lahat. Like for example, if you are planning to go here in Mindoro, so just go to the home page, click Mindoro, and since you don't have any idea about the public tourist attractions or establishment accommodations, nandun na lahat. You just once you click Mindoro, it will route you to the page of Mindoro, and then there is like public attractions. Click, nakikita mo na yung kung saan yung mga pwede mong puntahan dito. And then if you don't know kung saan accommodations, just click the accommodations. It will route you to all the accommodations here, accredited accommodations here in Mindoro. And if you want to book for a tour packages, then just click on the tour packages, then it will route you to us here as the travel agency or travel operators. So ayan, then you have the option to choose kung kanino kayo mag-book. Diba? Kasi we have different rate. So ayan guys. So diba napakadali na. So hindi nyo na kailangang mag-reach out or tumawag kung kanino to inquire. But this applications nandun na siya lahat. And if you want to, book for a tour guide, meron na rin doon. And the good thing about this is an online payment. So this payment is regulated by the bank. So it's safe. Diba? So isa yun. And we accept credit card. So diba, ang saya. Matanggap kami ng credit card. So ayun guys, yun yung napaka-magandang advantage doon. So ayan. And again, this application is for free. And yun. So yun yung pinadali na lang yung inyong pagbubook kung kayo ay may balak pumunta sa iba't ibang tourist attractions here in the Philippines. So ayan, diba? And yun. So in that 2 days, yun na nga, in that 2 days successful yung meeting, training, and yung ating pagiging merchant. So ayan. So right now I am inviting you guys, please follow me, my Facebook page, Kalaya Travel and Tours, and all my social media account, TikTok, Instagram, and visit also our website. So ayan. And what else? Yun na ba? Wala na akong nakalimutan. So ayan, ayun yun. And please, if you know someone or if you have a relatives planning to have vacations here in the Philippines, you can suggest to install the applications, or you can copy my link and send to them, diba? Para sa amin na sila magbo-book. Ayun guys, diba? Kasi in that way also, diba, pwede kaming magbigay sa inyo ng commission. Diba? Extra income. Just refer us and then you will earn. Diba? Another sideline. Anyways, I think that's it for now. Watch out for my next video. Ituturo ko sa inyo on how to install, register, and book. Okay, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Ida, and I'm from Kalaya Travel and Tours. Please share and follow all my social media accounts. Thank you so much.